Welcome back everyone, it's Robert Hall, and today we're going to talk about a new light from Flashpoint. Hey everyone, today's video is sponsored by Adorama, which buys me the time to create these type of YouTube videos without the influence of any specific camera brand. I personally shop at Adorama for their wide selection on a ton of great products, as well as their continued support of those products down the road. So if you enjoy this video and you're interested in purchasing any of the equipment that's discussed, then please give Adorama a thank you by using the links in the description below. I gotta admit, I never thought this day would come. I never thought I'd be making a video about this product, because based on everything that I knew before, this was never going to exist. But it's here today. This is the new Flashpoint XPLOR 600 Pro. Now, I get it. You're probably confused. You're thinking, Rob, this isn't new. This has been out for months. It's 900 bucks. It's an awesome light with great color consistency. Well, this actually isn't the same light. This is the XPLOR 600 Pro manual. Now, the thing that you're probably wondering is, why is he only saying Flashpoint? Well, this is Adorama's second exclusive product that is manufactured by Godox, with the first, of course, being the R2 Pro 2 trigger that was an upgrade with an additional feature set to the original X Pro trigger by Godox, which was rebranded as the R2 Pro from Flashpoint. And by exclusive, I mean this is only going to be available through Adorama. There is not going to be a Godox X Series version of this product. This was a collaboration by Adorama. You guys said that you wanted a manual version of light, so Adorama put forth the extra effort to end up getting this manufactured by Godox so that it could be sold exclusively by them. Now, I don't feel the need to review this light because I've already reviewed it and I've provided an FAQ on it, and I've provided independent videos just on the modeling lamp. I've done so much regarding this 8600 Pro. The only thing that's different about this version is that this is manual only, and it's going to be $750 as its standard price instead of $899. It has the same 600 watt peak power. It has the same control with the Godox X Series remotes. It's going to be compatible with all the existing Godox X Series products as well as Flashpoint R2 products. It has the same improved bulb and the same new design and shape that makes it a little bit sleeker as well as a little bit more functional. It has the same improved handle, same battery, same recycle time, same color stability, same high-speed sync capabilities, same controls. Everything about this is the same. It even comes packaged in the identical case with the bulb and the charger from Adorama. So if you want to learn more about this light and its capabilities, all you have to do is watch my original video on the Flashpoint XPLOR 600 Pro, which you can find right up here. Now, I did use this for 2 shoots over the weekend just to make sure that everything was working as expected, and it definitely met my expectations. I don't really feel the need to go too in depth on this because I've been working with the XPLOR 600 Pro for so long, and because I'm not really a heavy TTL user, I don't even notice the difference. So I think this is an awesome move for Adorama because the primary people that are going to benefit from the advanced feature set of the XPLOR 600 Pro are people who are concerned about color accuracy, people who are concerned about recycle speed, and to me that seems more like the studio niche that might be doing either still life or some form of cataloging, either with clothing or fashion brands. I think those people also benefit from this model because those type of photographers aren't necessarily utilizing TTL that much, so they can just pick up this and save a little bit of money. If you've been eyeing the XPLOR 600 Pro for a while but just didn't feel you could pay that much for a light, well, now it's a little bit more accessible if you're willing to give up that TTL feature. The other cool thing is, unlike a lot of the announcements that I've made in the past regarding lighting, this is already available today, January 8th. The day that this video is going up is the same day that this light is going to be available for purchase from Adorama, so if you're interested in it, you don't have to wait. Let me stress, there are going to be no compatibility issues with this. This will work with the AC adapter, this will work with the extension head, this will work with everything that is designed to work for the XPLOR 600 Pro in the same exact capacity. But if you have any additional questions, let me know in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos, and of course, if you want to support Adorama, the link is in the description below. Till next time, keep on shooting.